If you've inherited a property in Bexley, Ohio, or if you're dealing with some type of probate situation that involves a property in Bexley, Ohio, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years we've been buying inherited properties in and around Bexley, Ohio. And the reason people like working with us is we're going to keep everything extremely simple for you. Lord knows you probably already have a lot of complexity going on. There could be confusion going on with these situations. Sometimes there's courts involved, and sometimes there's attorneys, other family members, whatever the case may be. We're not here to add to any stress. We're here to keep things simple and hopefully provide relief. And the way that we're actually able to do that is we're going to buy the property in its true as-is condition. So what that means is you don't need to put any money into the property before selling it to us. You don't need to fix anything. You don't need to haul anything away. You don't need to clean anything. The conversation is very simple. When we're talking to you, the person who's inherited the property in Bexley, Ohio, we're going to tell you, take anything that you want out of the property. Any family heirlooms, any collectibles, any belongings, take it all. It's all yours. But anything that you don't want or don't need, you simply could leave behind because we're going to buy the property in its as-is condition. And that's a little bit unconventional. You know, you're not going to get that when you're working with more of a traditional buyer. A traditional buyer is somebody who might be working with a real estate agent and they have a lender involved. That lender is going to require various appraisals, inspections, and things like that. We don't have anyone to report to. We're not relying on the lender to approve our deal since it is a true cash purchase. And then also when you're selling to us, there's no commissions involved. There's no miscellaneous fees. You know exactly what you're going to net. From the very beginning, you know what you're going to be walking away with. There's no hidden fees. We cover all the title fees, and we're not going to ask you to fix anything or to contribute any money to this transaction to make it happen. Another reason people love working with us is you get to pick your own closing date. And that's important. It's often overlooked, but it's very important. Some people need to close quickly, and if that's the case, if you need speed, we can provide that since we are a true cash buyer. Other people need flexibility. They need something else to happen before they can close, whatever the case may be. If you need flexibility, we could accommodate that as well. So you get to pick your own closing date. We're going to close on your time frame. The ball is always in your court. So when you pick up the phone and call us at 614-300-5151 or visit us online and fill out the form at sellhousecolumbus.com, we're going to get on the phone with you, and there's never going to be any pressure or sales tactics or fake urgency or anything like that. We just need to understand more about your timeline and understand more about the property, and we're going to make you a cash offer on the property. Now, if our cash offer works for you, great. We'll move forward. It's a very simple agreement. There's no fine print or no hidden language or hidden fees. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We'll simply shake hands, part as friends. There's never going to be any fake urgency or anything like that. And at least now you know what your options are. So if you've inherited a property in Bexley, Ohio, or if you're dealing with some type of probate situation that involves a property in Bexley, Ohio, pick up the phone and give us a call. We're here at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. We are going to communicate clearly with you. We look forward to working with you. We're local. You can have peace of mind. We have hundreds of references and testimonials, and we look forward to the opportunity to work with you as well. That phone number again is 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I'm Dave, and I look forward to working with you.